Better health for everybody, every day. Transforming lives, 3 minutes at a time. Listen up. This is your daily health tip from The Good Company.
Hey everybody, welcome back to your daily health tip. This is Melissa from The Good Company. This week, our eye is on breast cancer. It is Breast Cancer Awareness Month here in the U.S. And today I want to touch really basically and briefly on genetic testing and what does that mean. There's a lot of buzz in the health world about genetic testing. And when we talk about breast cancer, the gene that we're testing for, or the gene that we're testing, is called the BRCA gene, BRCA. The BR from breast and the CA from cancer. It's pronounced BRCA, or sometimes they say BRCA. And we talk about the BRCA gene, we talk about BRCA1 and BRCA2. And those are genes that have been found to impact a person's chances of developing certain cancers. It was first discovered that they were affecting breast cancer, but now we know they play a role, mutations in those genes, I should say, play a role in ovarian and prostate cancer as well. These genes actually help to prevent cancer, prevent the DNA breaks that lead to cancer, and we refer to these genes, BRCA1 and BRCA2, as tumor suppressor genes. So the issue lies in when there's a mutation in the gene, when something's broken within that DNA. What it looks like when you get a BRCA test is you would go to your doctor, who most likely would refer you to a genetic counselor. You'd have an appointment with them, they'd take your family history, and then they would take either a sample of your saliva or your blood to test your DNA. And that sample gets sent to a lab where a tech will look for mutations. The lab will then report back to your doctor, and a few weeks later, you will probably sit back down with your genetic counselor and go through your results. It's important to know that while having circa BRCA variants can increase a person's risk of developing cancer, most cases of breast, ovarian, and prostate cancers are not caused by inherited BRCA variants. And also that not every individual who inherits a BRCA variant will develop cancer. There's a lot of lifestyle modifications, a lot of hard living that we're doing that is actually causing mutations in our genes, and not this hereditary form of breast cancer. So if you find out that you have this gene mutation, it makes sense to sit down and talk with your doctor, probably to get more regular screenings, just to take a little bit better care there, to pay a little bit more attention, because you know that you're at risk, higher risk than most people for breast cancer. So whether or not you choose to get tested, if you do have a family history of breast cancer, that's totally up to you. But just to know that it's out there and it's an option. I'm going to leave a link in the show notes today about BRCA awareness, and it'll give you a lot more detailed information than what I've just provided, but a very interesting website. So if you're interested, check it out.